Like if you've been wanting to say goodbye to wrinkles and get a very good skin, and you've not been knowing a way to do that, okay, this is one great way to achieve that. So what you're going to be needing here, you're going to be making use of your baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda, not baking powder, guys, baking soda. So what I'm going to do, going to be taking just 1 tablespoon of my baking soda, and then we're going to be taking few of petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline original. So after putting that, I'm gonna mix that up very well. And then we're going to be making use of our potato. Is that slap? And she's laughing. Alright, so okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go boil this and blend it. Okay, so I'll be right back when I'm done blending. So here is my blended potato, and I'm gonna be taking just about 3 tablespoons of that. And then I'm gonna turn that into my baking soda and petroleum jelly, and then give it a fine stir. So lastly, we're going to be making use of banana. Okay, banana is a great moisturizing agent to the skin. It helps so much to moisturize. And so we're going to be creating the banana in a circular motion. Okay, you guys, so this is our banana. Now gonna be putting that into the mix. And here we go. Alright, you guys, so let's go. So you could see how drastically this could change my skin very much. So you are definitely gonna be saying goodbye to wrinkles and an old looking rough skin with it, okay? So you guys, before you apply any of my products, just any of my natural remedy, you guys, just make sure you dab your face with water. Now the reason why I would want you to dab your face with water is so that this product can just get into your skin really well. Okay, walk, and then you're going to have that satisfaction using this product very quickly. Then you grab your brush. You can also use your hand, but you spread this onto your skin evenly. Spread it onto your skin, just everywhere. Just gently. Just neatly spread this onto your skin and make sure you target your problem area. If you're having wrinkles under your eye, just put this under your eye. It's very mild enough, just put it under your eye area. It's very mild. Okay guys, so after that is done, then you have to give it a little time, and then after like 1 minute or so, 30 seconds, then you just gently give it a scrub, just a gentle scrub, just like this. Do not scrub too much so that you don't lose your skin. Okay, even if you scrub very lightly, it's still going to work for you really good. Yeah. Alright you guys, so after doing this, then you can then leave it for like 1 minute, which is like 60 seconds, or 2 minutes if you can. Alright, and then you just wash it off. Okay, for this particular remedy, you can actually use it at least 3 to 4 times a week. Just put it in an airtight container, just like this, my container that has a cover cover it up, and then you know, just use it, and you're going to be happy you did, because you're gonna be like, wow, is it a simple thing that's transformed me this much? Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye. God bless you.